Hello there friends, welcome to our channel organized by Darci. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my new front door wreaths. Now, yesterday you saw me decorate this Christmas tree here, and today I'm taking you outside to show you the front door wreaths that I have just repurposed. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darci and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. As usual, we'd love to have you here as part of our family. Just by pressing that subscribe button below, you automatically become a member of our family. And by pressing the bell icon, which is right beside the subscribe button, you'll be one of the first to be notified when new videos are uploaded weekly. Now, let's get started. Come with me. These are the 4 wreaths that I've just finished working on, and I have them here on the fence, just checking them to make sure that all the ornaments are evenly placed on the wreaths. Here I'm taking down the fall wreaths and replacing them with the wreaths for Christmas now. This is a jade plant at the front door that I have just decorated with leftover ornaments. Here are the 2 downstairs front door wreaths, and now we're going to be going upstairs in just a few minutes to see those 2 wreaths as well. And now we are upstairs, and these are the 2 front door wreaths for upstairs. So we have a total of 4, 2 for downstairs and 2 for upstairs. Thank you so much for watching. I am so excited that you took the time today to watch this video, and I really look forward to next week. Next week's video is going to be one on a kitchen tour that you absolutely need to watch. Hope you're having just the best day ever, and I look forward to seeing you next week in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.